Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the area safe and accessible. Move furniture, tape drop cloths, and shut power to nearby outlets so you can work without interruption. Next, remove any trim or outlet covers along the border to expose edges. Now score the wallpaper lightly with a dedicated tool. Don't gouge the drywall. You want enough perforations to let the remover penetrate. Once done, you'll be ready to apply a chemical or hot water method. Make sure the scored layer is consistent along the entire strip. Now you'll break the glue bond. Spray a commercial remover or hot water mixed with a few drops of dish soap onto the scored border until saturated. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes so the adhesive softens. If it cools or dries, reapply and wait again. Start at a seam or scored spot and gently lift the paper with a 2-3-inch putty knife held nearly parallel to the wall. Once the paper yields, continue methodically, resoaking stubborn areas before prying. Finish by removing residual glue. Scrub with warm water and a non-abrasive pad or an adhesive solvent for tough spots, then rinse and dry. Inspect the drywall for damage. Sand any rough areas lightly and apply joint compound to small gouges or seams, feathering the edges for a smooth finish. Once dry, sand again and wipe clean. Prime the repaired strip to seal the surface before painting or applying new wallpaper. If bubbling or paper lifts later, reprime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.